Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of leaky, unreliable hose nozzles that just don't cut it, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of garden care, focusing on finding the best hose nozzle that will transform your watering experience. From durability to water pressure, we've tested them all. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. INAV 8 Heavy Duty Garden Hose Nozzle Sprayer. If you're someone who's dedicated countless hours to the upkeep of your garden and potted plants throughout the sweltering summer, the INAV 8 Water Hose Nozzle Sprayer will feel like a godsend. Our testing revealed that its comfortable grip and convenient thumb control make it a joy to use for extended periods, much like the top-rated Revolution 9 pattern spray gun, which boasts easy on-off functionality and flow control without the need for continuous trigger squeezing. Boasting an array of 10 spray patterns, this nozzle ensures you have the perfect setting for everything from the most fragile blossoms to the toughest shrubs, not to mention vehicle washing and other tasks. Its impressive reach of up to 28 feet allows for easy watering or cleaning in places that are difficult to access with a shorter hose, or without the hassle of lugging around a cumbersome hose. Despite this, we found it to be an efficient and comfortable tool for maintaining the health and beauty of your lawn, garden, and various plants. Pros: leak-free nozzle, ergonomic, soft rubber grip, great control over water stream, includes 12-month warranty. Cons: somewhat weak spray at times. Number 2, Gardena Multi-Sprayer Premium Garden Hose Nozzle. The Gardena Multi-Sprayer Premium differentiated itself with its array of distinctive and advantageous features. Unique among the nozzles we tested, it offers the convenience of a pivoting and rotating head, eliminating the need to maneuver the hose to achieve the perfect spraying angle. The addition of a boost setting amplifies the spray force for more demanding tasks. Furthermore, its broader spray head covers more area with each pass. Although it showed some signs of wear after our drop test in the lab, no significant durability concerns emerged during our home use tests. This sprayer proved its mettle by effectively removing dirt at both close range and at distances up to 19 feet. Like the others on our list, it includes a lock feature, sparing you from continuously squeezing the trigger. During use, it offers 5 different settings for various tasks, and the spray intensity can be easily adjusted using the trigger before engaging the lock. Nevertheless, considering its outstanding features and unique design, it stands out as an excellent investment for dedicated gardeners. Pros: unique pivoting head, boost setting to amplify spray, wider nozzle, locks into place. Cons: scuffed when dropped. Number 3. Restmo Heavy Duty Garden Hose Nozzle Spray. The Restmo Hose Nozzle distinguishes itself with a versatile selection of 7 spray options: shower, jet, flat, center, cone, full, and mist. Crafted from powder-coated metal, it stands up well to corrosion. The construction extends to both the body and the threads, enhancing the unit's longevity. It also incorporates a flow control knob, enabling precise adjustments to the water's intensity for various tasks. From nurturing your garden to cleaning your vehicle or bathing your pet, the design prioritizes comfort as well, featuring an ergonomic grip that reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use. Our evaluation highlighted the nozzle's jet mode, which delivered a remarkable 36-foot stream, proving highly effective at removing dirt from outdoor belongings. The rubber grip and dial exuded quality and robustness, surpassing our expectations for this price range. However, the trigger's somewhat lesser quality raised concerns about how it might hold up over time. Despite these initial reservations, after half a year of regular home use, the nozzle has shown no signs of wear and tear, and we encountered no issues with leaking either during our laboratory tests or in subsequent months. Number 4, Greenmount New Patent Garden Hose Nozzle. For those passionate about their gardening projects, Greenmount's new patent garden hose nozzle emerges as a noteworthy contender. This nozzle caught our attention with its sizable on-off lever, boasting an ergonomic design for a comfortable grip alongside a pistol grip handle for precise control. By simply rotating the selector ring, users can navigate through 6 spray patterns, including options like jet, mist, soaker, and shower, tailoring the water pressure with a forward or backward movement of the handle. Crafted predominantly from ABS plastic, this nozzle promises durability and resistance to impacts. It incorporates a metal nozzle housing and hose connector for enhanced sturdiness, alongside a detachable metal mesh screen for easy cleaning of any sediment blockages. This nozzle is a versatile tool, designed to meet a broad range of watering needs, from delivering a powerful stream for cleaning hard surfaces to a gentle mist for the care of sensitive plants, and a soaker mode for efficient irrigation of large pots or shrubbery. Number 5, Fonhau Heavy Duty Garden Hose Nozzle Spray. For those in need of a robust hose nozzle, The Fonhau model stands out as a solid choice. It boasts an all-steel construction for unmatched durability, complemented by a high-density, rubber-coated plastic ring for spray adjustment that ensures a non-slip experience. The nozzle's brushed steel finish provides a soft feel, enhanced by a lengthy trigger designed for a firm grip, which can be conveniently locked in place for continuous watering thanks to a steel loop at the handle's base. However, when dealing with water from a cold spigot, the steel handle can become uncomfortably cold, a situation where a coated grip would have been beneficial. A quick tip: wearing gardening gloves can provide a comfortable barrier against the cold. Equipped with 7 spray options, including center, flat, jet, shower, mist, cone, and full, the Fonhau nozzle delivers versatility in use, with each setting offering a drip-free performance. The spray pressure is easily adjustable via the hand trigger, ensuring this sprayer is not only well-crafted but also ready to handle the demands of frequent use. For those seeking a durable, long-lasting spray nozzle, this Fonhau model is a formidable option.